Hello, welcome to SaralRaasta. Today we will be talking about the way SaralRaasta works and how do you set up your details in SaralRaasta. Now this is the dashboard that gives you a generic overview about your active routes, your vehicles, your pending orders, and the routes that is created, and then again the recent orders. To start with, you set up your depot. That will be your delivery location from where you are to deliver or the starting point for the vehicle. It can be one or multiple, and the main point to note is the latitude and longitude, because again we use this latitude and longitude to get the actual distance between the depot and the customer's locations. Again, you set up the vehicle. The vehicle has efficiency per kilometer, capacity, and in volumes and weights, and also maximum route. Now these are taken into consideration when when the algorithm plans to build up the route, wherein it should not exceed this capacity or volume or maximum route, and then the algorithm tries to compare with multiple vehicle to see the least pricing per kilometer, and then it tries to build up a route on that. And then this is the depot location from where the vehicle starts. You have other constraint, whether you want that vehicle to return to base, whether it handles perishable, specials, fragiles, because again these are all the constraint that is associated with the orders. So accordingly the order gets mapped to the vehicles. You have your drivers settings here, wherein you can add one or multiple driver. uh, then we come down to the imports. Here in the live tracking you can actually see the live location of a driver and then actual path that it took. Now if I click on this particular driver, if you see, as of now I'm just logged into and then it's playing with the application. So again, this is what you see for me, and then I can also filter it down to which date I want to see the live location where the driver went along and whatnot. Coming back to the imports, so you do your import of customers and locations at one go using an Excel sheet which is already available, a predefined set of format that you use, or you do it manually, wherein you import the customers and locations, customers, and then you map it, or you can do it in an Excel format wherein you download a template and then you upload it. Now coming back to the routes, you can either select top n with a maximum number of pending orders for a date, or you can include all the orders and then you choose a deeper location and then you click on plans route. When you click on this route, it takes around 4 to 5 minutes to actually run that algorithm, and then the output are these routes. There's also a tab for advanced planning, wherein you can select a specific order or all pending orders, and also the depots and the drivers. So this gives you a more fine refined way to build up a route, and then you can run it down here. Once it gets completed, you get to see these routes. So again, I'll just try to open it and see how it looks. I can click and open and see all in one window and see the actual path. So if I see, yeah, so these are the routes that is actually created: the red one, the purple one, the blue, the yellow, then orange, and you can see the routes here. If you want to do some modifications, you can easily drag and drop from one to another, and then the routes here gets updated automatically, and then also you get to see the actual distance and the weights that appended because of this modification. You can either remove it too from here, and then again you can save all the changes, so the routes get uploaded accordingly. So this is more at a admin level, wherein you get to upload and prepare routes and things like that, and you also get to see your live tracker. Once a route is added to a driver, I can click it down here. Maybe I'll add it to a driver 1. save. So again, uh, there's a separate screen for driver login. If this driver logs in, he or she should be able to see all the route status assigned to him. So again, if you see, this is the order and the routes that he or she has to take. You can actually collect an amount or things like that. You can upload a POD, proof of delivery, and then you can submit that too. So again, this particular order is will be completed, and then the same is updated at an admin page to see which orders and completed or not. Yeah, thank you.